Hey guys, so I just checked out this house by DR Horton in the southwest side of Las Vegas, which is minutes away from the freeway, close to Southern Highlands, and about 15 minutes from the Las Vegas airport. So come check out the plan 2433. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking at buying, selling, or moving here to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Spectrum Falls by DR Horton here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this area, the main cross streets is Decatur and Cactus. Now, we're in a really great location. We're minutes away from the 15 freeway. It takes about 15 minutes to get to the airport and about 20 minutes to get to the strip. So if you work on the strip or if you're trying to live close to the airport, guys, this is a great location, okay? I've done a tour for this community before, but that's when it opened up. I think that's like over a year ago. So, you know, there has been a couple of updates, especially with pricing. So I'm definitely gonna go over that. Also, they still have about 40 more lots left until this community is completely sold out, okay? But yeah, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they have 3 different floor plans. They're all 2-story homes ranging from 2,433 square feet to about 2,988 square feet. So pretty much close to 3,000 square feet. The prices are gonna range from about $540 all the way up to $585, okay? So just know whenever you guys see those prices, because this is DR Horton, what you see is what you get. Those prices are out the door. Everything is included: refrigerator, washer, dryer, including blinds, okay? So a couple things about the community. The HOA here is $32 a month. It is not gated, but I mean, it is a really low HOA. That just comes in. What's included is just going to be like the outside maintenance of the neighborhood. Again, they have about 40 more lots until they're completely sold out. This community has about 214 homes altogether, okay? And then as far as the lot sizes, you're looking at 4,000 square feet, which depending on the floor plan that you get, you're looking at about a 22 to a 28 feet deep backyard, okay? Yeah, guys, that is about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 2433. This is going to be 2433 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, and out the door you're looking at $540, $990. Okay, so really close to $541 there. Now the paver driveway is included, desert landscape. Again, these are quick moving homes, so everything's going to be picked out, including the elevation for you. This is going to be the 2-car garage, but that is a sales office. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So here at the entry door, the video doorbell right here, that is included, okay? So the only thing that is not included in this floor plan is going to be the accent walls, the furniture, the curtains, and yeah, that's about it. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You're gonna have this is gonna be the powder room right over here, okay? And then to your left, you'll have your dining room, living room, kitchen. It's very open. But yeah, we'll check out this powder room. Okay, so you have your toilet, your pedestal sink. Right. Then you're gonna have your stairs to the 2nd floor. So there is a landing step right there. Okay. So once you get to right about here, you're gonna notice how open the floor plan is, which is really, really nice. Now, the main difference between the plan 2665, which is the one that's slightly bigger than this, is that's gonna have a bedroom downstairs. But if having a bedroom downstairs is not that important to you, the 2433 has a much more open floor plan downstairs, because as you can see, nice and open. But yeah, I guess if you need a bedroom downstairs, a 2665 is better. But again, it's not as open as this floor plan. But yeah, this is what you'd expect for the tiles. So you're gonna have the 17 by 17 like ceramic tile all throughout the first floor. Okay, nice sized living room, really good sized kitchen as well. See, look how big this island is. Plenty of cabinets, really good space. See, something that I do like is if you're cooking here in the kitchen, you could still watch TV, you could still entertain your guests eating right over there. Now again, great thing with DR Horton, all the appliances are included, so you don't have to buy, like the refrigerator, the washer, dryer. Usually builders, the only thing they have included is gonna be the stovetop, oven, microwave, and dishwasher, and then no refrigerator, washer, and dryer, but that's all included in this community. They also include the blinds too, so the blinds are not actually here, but you are gonna get blinds that are included. Okay, so this is the microwave here. As you can see, there's a vent, so it vents outwards. Okay. They usually rotate, again, they make spec homes here, but they'll rotate between a few different cabinet colors, as well as the countertop. Okay, this is gonna be your pantry. So, good space. You have room up top to store things as well. Okay, so as you can see, you have like plenty of natural light that's going to come in because you have these two windows. You have this slider as well as that large window over there as well. Okay, this backyard. Now for the backyard, the size of the backyard, for this floor plan, the 2433, you're looking at about a 28 feet deep backyard. Okay, so about like 25 to 28 feet deep, which is a lot of space. I mean, compared to the other builders in this price range in the Southwest area, I would say if you're looking for the most spacious backyard where you could build a pool, this would probably be the best community. Yeah, because the other communities close by in this price range is going to be KB Homes, and they're typically about like 15 to 20 feet deep. Now again, when you move in, your backyard is going to be like just a dirt lot, and then the HOA will give you about a year to landscape your backyard. You will have this little patch of pavers, but other than that, it'll just be all dirt. Okay. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about buying a new construction home and you want to visit a community and you're thinking about, stopping by the very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and just help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor comes with you on your very first visit. Something you want to avoid is going by yourself. The second you walk to a new build sales office by yourself, they're going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information, they're going to log you in their system as a walk-in and you're not represented. And they won't allow you to have representation after that. So, you definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after your best interest. So we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. Okay. So what you're seeing here is there's going to be 3 bedrooms here. So this is 1, 2, the third one in the corner, and then you have that nice large loft. Now over here, you're going to have your primary bedroom, and you will have your laundry room right here. That's right next to the primary bedroom. But we'll start out over here. Okay. This is another thing I love about this floor plan. I love this large loft. It's very cozy. This could be like a game room. You could have like a movie night, your weekly family movie night, game time, family night here. Okay. So very spacious. If you have little kids, this is a great area for them to play, for you to just watch TV and just hang out with them. Okay, so right there, that's going to be a linen closet. So this is going to be one of the guest bedrooms. Okay. One thing that's nice is it does have a, oh, okay, well, it's not a walk-in closet, but, you know, it is a decent-sized closet. Okay. Also, you have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, 9-foot ceilings downstairs. Okay. So here's the other bedroom. Okay. And then the lights that you see right here, you could definitely switch that out for a ceiling fan light. Okay, so you got your closet over there. Here, I'll show you guys the full bath. So you do have the dual sinks. Okay, then you're gonna have your door. That leads into the toilet, into the shower. You have some space for linens right here. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. Okay, so you got your drop-in sinks, Moen faucets. Okay, you also have this medicine cabinet. And then here's the other bedroom. This is going to be the same, about the same size as the last bedroom we just previewed. Okay, so you got your closet. All right, so here's your washer and dryer. So you got some extra space right here. You could definitely use this to store your linens. But yeah, it's great that DR Horton throw these in. Washer and dryer, refrigerator, and blinds, because again, off the bat, if you go to a new build community and they don't offer that, that's like $5,000 to $6,000 that you'd have to pay out of pocket when you move in. But you know, buy a DR Horton house, that's included, so you could just save that money. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Spacious primary bedroom. Yeah, and people always ask too, especially when they're from out of state. But most of the primary bedrooms, when it comes to the bath, there's not a door right here. And they're just like, why isn't there a door that goes to the primary bath? I don't know, that's just how they built it. But in case you wanted to put a door right here, you could put one of those like little farm doors that you could just roll it to the side. That's what I've seen some of my clients do. Okay, so you got his and her sinks. Okay, place for your linens. You have a walk-in shower. Yes, unfortunately, there is no tub for those of you who need a tub. Pretty spacious walk-in closet as well. And that's going to be your toilet room. But yeah, guys, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call, shoot me a text, or if you have any question for that matter, But yeah, thank you so much for watching that video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.